In this video, let me quickly show you how to use the Telegram voice calls. Using the voice calls feature inside of Telegram is a straightforward process which is available both on mobile and on the desktop application as well. You can create a voice call or do a voice call on a one-to-one chat or on a group chat as well. So open up the app or Telegram and then either open up a one-to-one message or a group communication. You can also tap on the pencil icon on the bottom right and find the person that you're trying to call. Once you're inside of the chat, you will be able to see the call icon on the top right. As soon as you tap on it, if this is your first time, you need to first of all allow the microphone access to Telegram. And once you do, the voice call will start. As these calls are on the internet, the other person that you're trying to call must also have their Wi-Fi turned on their devices. Only then they will get notified of your call. So that's basically it on the way that you use the Telegram voice calls. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe if you are interested in more future videos just like this.